guys, I'm Muskan Shrestha and I'm back with another amazing video in my channel. If you guys like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. For the new viewers here, I would like to inform that here I make videos about special effect makeups. So if you guys are interested in these kind of makeups, do like my channel and share with your friends and family. So for today's look, let's get into the video. First of all, I will tie up my hair neat and tidy, and today I am going to use Fevicol, a small brush and two horns. I made it out of foil paper. Now I am applying some Fevicol with the help of the brush on my forehead and pasting some small pieces of tissue paper, and I am applying more Fevicol over it. We are preparing the base for the horns to stay. Keep on applying the Fevicol. Make at least 2 to 3 layers of tissue paper so that your horns could stay on place properly. Now applying my horn. I missed the footage there. My camera unfortunately stopped due to some reason. Now I'm doing the same thing in the next side. You can see what I'm doing. It's really easy. Just apply some Fevicol and then small pieces of tissue paper, then put your horns in place and then let it dry for some time. Make sure you hold it while it's drying. Let it dry. Now I'm taking some more Fevicol and small chunks of tissue paper and mixing it, and then I'm applying it around the horns to give that the look that the horns came out of my forehead. After it's dried, I'm applying my foundation near the tissue paper to hide the whitish part of the tissue paper. I'm using a small brush for that. Make sure you apply it very light-handed because your horns might fall if you apply a lot of pressure. Just cover every whitish part you can see there, and be careful that you don't destroy your horns. Now I'm taking some red painting color and applying nearby the horns to make that reddish brush look. You can see what I'm doing. It's really easy. Just be creative. Make sure you cover all parts. Now I'm applying that red color under my eyes and also over my eyelid. Make sure you don't harm your eyes. I'm going to create that black and red kind of eyes look. You can see what I'm doing. Just keep on applying. Make sure that your red painting color is a little bit dry. Keep on blending. Now I'm taking some black painting color and now I'm applying it over my eyelid and then blending it with the red color. Just see what I'm doing. It's really easy. Just blend the two colors. Now I'm taking some fake blood I have created out of honey and red food coloring and applying over the area. Now just pour that red food coloring blood here and there to create the look. I'm applying it over my lips and my falling out of my mouth, and some over my teeth, as this food color and honey mixture is edible, so you can apply it in your teeth. ignore my pout face there. Just work on it. Yeah, now it's done. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And this is all for today. So let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.